Whether you're updating your cowl door kit or converting to functioning fuel injection, we've got a comprehensive kit to include all the components for that portion of your restoration. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1970 to 72 Chevelle El Camino and Monte Carlo cowl door kit assemblies. Our kits come with everything you need to mount your door to the hood. In addition, if you're installing on your Monte Carlo, you'll need to purchase the proper hood, which is part number M240304. Each kit includes the hood door, 2 hood door supports, vacuum actuator assembly, 2 vacuum actuator supports, 2 door support pivot screws, and 2 nylon door pivot screw bushings. Our cowl door, door brackets, and vacuum actuator supports are manufactured from a sturdy steel for added strength and rigidity. We carefully coat each steel component with an electrodeposit primer for protection. This is also known as EDP coating for short. The EDP coating prevents your parts from becoming rusted or corroded prior to priming and painting, so your hood door will need to be painted to match your vehicle. Our vacuum actuator assembly is assembled from stamped steel and a rubber gasket like the originals. The actuator is also cadmium plating for protection against rust and corrosion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.